Malacanang assures there will be no sacred cows in the implementation of wide-ranging reforms at the Bureau of Customs. In a press conference, presidential spokesman Edmund Lasierda urged the public to just wait for the reform to take place. Added details from Rocky Ignacio.
Para naman po, sa mga kawaning walang balak tumalikod sa kulturang wawang, tapos na ang pakikiusap. Nagkaroon kayo ng 3 taon para ipakitang handa kayong mayos. Ngayon, hahanapin kung hindi ko pa kayo nahanap, pero hindi ko pa nahanap, talagang lalahatin ko na kayo. Ngayon po, pasensyahan tayo.
The Aquino administration is firm in its commitment to curb corruption, including smuggling in the country. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lasierda stressed that there will be no sacred cows in the fight against corruption and other form of anomalies. Lasierda said this in response to the statement of resigned Bureau of Customs Deputy Commissioner Danilo Lim that some politicians allegedly played as protectors of smugglers. He said allies will not be spared if they are proven to be cuddlers of smugglers.
The President always says that kung nasaan ang ebidensya, doon kami. Kung saan pa turo ang ebidensya, doon tayo pupunta. So, maayos po maliwanag po ang utos po ng ating Pangulo. Wala akong papaboran dito.
Malacanang assured that all anomalies will be addressed once the reforms are carried out in the Bureau. In his State of the Nation address, President Aquino expressed dismay that the country as much as 200 billion pesos due to smuggling.
Ano ang sinasabi kasi ni Deputy Commissioner Lim is based on experience and looking backward. What we're saying, we're looking forward. What are our reform measures? We're going to do it. We're going to reform the customs and just expect what we are going to do with respect to the Bureau of Customs.
Lasierda gave limited information about the reforms so as not to derail the action against those behind the anomalies.
Alam mo, kapag bibigyan kita ng anino ng ating reforma, hindi parang, tulad lang sinabi ni Presidente, hindi parang sinabi na rin namin sa mga kawani doon, magtago na kayo, alam nyo na yung gagawin namin. So, if I even give you a glimpse of it, I'm certain that they will be made aware of what the reform measures will be. And hence, for that reason, I cannot speak on any detail or any glimpse or a shadow of the reforms that we're going to slip you by. So it's better for us to wait for the reforms to be announced.
Meanwhile, Malacanang has yet to decide on the fate of Lim and Customs Deputy Commissioner Juan Lorenzo Tañada. Lasierda said the resignation letter of Tañada is now at the office of the Secretary. Lim and Tañada have both tendered their resignations after President Aquino criticized the Bureau of Customs for incompetence in his zona. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.